Hey, it's Mike here at Bourgeois Motors. November, snow's coming, wintertime driving. Not everybody likes driving in the winter. It's very stressful, but look at this. We're driving a 2018 Focus RS all-wheel drive. That would make your wintertime drive a lot more fun. This car is going to give you a lot more security on the road, and it's fun. It's 350 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque on stock alloy 18-inch winter tires. This is a cool little car. Drive this around. It's got all your creature comforts. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. You've got nav and a full instrumentation. This is a really fun car. Let's take a closer look at this car. We did mention when we were driving it, it's on stock 18-inch alloys. Look at these. When this car is bought new, it comes with factory alloys with the RS embroidered in it. Big brakes, Brembo brakes. The car stops on a dime. It is all-wheel drive. There's a lot of horsepower and a lot of torque in this. Has a few different drive modes as well. Under the hood, this car is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost turboed engine. Builds 350 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque, all-wheel drive. Awesome winter drive. Well, thanks for checking out our video today. This is a really cool car. Don't miss out on your chance to get it. Secured winter driving, fun car. Message us for details today. Let's go for a drive.